top of the chili, baby, and I'm here to tell you you will be a crypto millionaire in 2024. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. We're gonna be talking about the top predictions from some of the top entities and companies in the crypto space. We're going to be covering it all. So if you like videos like this, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Consider the Discord. Consider the Patreon, man. Patreon, we're winning, baby. We're winning, baby. Consider us. You feel me? And also, leave a comment. How high do you think Bitcoin will go this bull run? Do you think we go to 100K? Maybe 150? Do you think we go all the way up to 200K off the ETF news? I want to know everybody's opinion. Again, Happy New Year to everybody, man. Let's get into it. So, 68% of the Americans now own Bitcoin. So, we know that this number is probably the last time they recorded this was November 14th. These numbers are probably even higher, right? According to the Finder.com surveys, you can see more women has gotten into crypto, more people in whole own crypto, and in my opinion, crypto, blockchain, right? Blockchain technology is the future. Of course, we're here for the green candles, but we gotta recognize what the technology can do for the emerging world, right? We're moving into a different sector of living, right? A lot of things are becoming more AI driven, right? Becoming more AI driven. We're moving away from cash. A lot of things are becoming cashless, right? A cashless society, and everybody wants to be decentralized. Nobody wants to be controlled by centralized entities, especially your finances, right? So what does Bitcoin do? And specifically, what does crypto do? It awards you financial sovereignty, family. And we can't mess this up. We got 106 days until the next Bitcoin halving cycle, right? So a lot of people should be very, very, very excited about where we could potentially end up after the halving cycle with the news of the ETF, potential Bitcoin spot ETF, and of course, right, potential Fed cuts. So a lot to look forward to on the new calendar year. And let me know what your New Year's resolutions are in the comments. I love to know what everybody's working on. I want to go full Web3, right? That's the goal. You feel me? This might be the week that that happens, and I can't do it without you guys. So I definitely appreciate everybody that's been showing up to these videos. But let's talk about it, man. Milk Road dropped a pretty decent thread here, right? Coinbase, Bitwise, and A16 released their crypto market outlook. So we're going to be talking about some of the things that Coinbase and Bitwise and A16Z crypto is looking at, right? These guys are embedded in the cryptocurrency space. Coinbase has been running all year, right? They said that they were specifically prepared for Bitcoin ETF. We've been seeing Bitcoin ETF commercials, family, literally commercials before the approval, which tells a lot of people that we could have a potential 90% chance of a approval. But let's get into these predictions because we need to know what to look forward to in cryptocurrency. I thought this was a beautiful article here. So this is Bitwise's 10 crypto predictions here. Number one, they're predicting that Bitcoin hits a new all-time high sometimes this year at 80 grand, right? Bitwise believes BTC could go above 80 grand, spurred on the halving and historic launch of Bitcoin ETFs, right? So we got a few catalysts that could push us higher. This is why you need to be prepared. All that on the sideline stuff, that was 2023. You don't need to be on the side, not financial, but being on the sideline could be a decision that hurts your family lineage for years. And I'm serious, right? This is an opportunity of financial wealth. Two, Bitcoin ETFs will be the most successful launches of all time. According to the firm's internal research, ETFs could capture 1% of the 7.2 trillion US ETF market, or 72 billion within 5 years. And we're already starting to see these entities put up their initial seeds for these Bitcoin ETFs in cold cash, right? Coinbase could shock the markets with earnings. Bitwise believe the U.S.-based exchange will beat Wall Street forecasts of revenue growth by at least factors of 10. Insane, right? And my boys they've been telling me, like, Millie, you need to just buy Coinbase stock. You feel me? A hedge, create a hedge, and that's what I plan on doing. Actually, I plan on getting my Robinhood back going. That's something I want to do in New York. Get back investing in Robin. I haven't done any investing on Robinhood in a while, but I think I'm gonna grab some ETFs and I'm gonna grab Coinbase and I'm gonna grab some Bitcoin miner stocks. I think that's an easy trade if we know we're about to get the Bitcoin approved. In fact, that's something that I'm gonna do later today. Move a little bit of funds around and get into Robinhood and do some things there. The firm predicts that stablecoins, one of crypto's killer apps, will see an increased role in daily finances, even surpassing financial payments giants like Visa. I agree. I mean, I use stables all the time, and I can, put up my stables in crypto.com, right? And earn APY just by staking my tether or staking my USDC. So I'm all with it. JP Morgan, Slime Diamond will tokenize a fund and launch it on chain. Wall Street will remove the tokenized real world assets with a 5.5 billion already tokenized on the chain and set to grow to 16 trillion by 2030, man. I mean, how high do you think these crypto companies will be by 2030, right? Ethereum revenue will double to 5 billion. Bitwise predicts that the revenue on Ethereum will double from 2.3 billion this year, making Ethereum one of the fastest growing tech platforms. Because it's a great trade, right? Taylor Swift, my boy, Travis, Travis, what's his name? What's his last name? Kelsey's girl, right? Pop culture and cryptos are set to once again intertwine, with Taylor Swift possibly introducing NFTs for fan engagement, which will create a narrative in cryptocurrency with some of these music coins, right? The Audius, the Rocky. There's some music coins that are severely slept on. I think Oculus, Opulus, one of them, slept on, right? That they have some pretty good partnerships. I know Audius is one of the ones that's backed by like Mark Cuban and some pretty big guys, right? And if Taylor Swift does something like launches NFTs, then that could be huge, right? AI assistance. We know AI will be huge. The firm believes that crypto will cement its place as the native currency of the internet as AI agents use it for online. And AI, is one of my biggest narratives, as you can see right here. Despite generative AI potential, it's hindered by black bloc's problem. Understanding and correcting the root of AI hallucinations is prohibitively difficult, he says. So, blockchain offers the most cost effective and tamper proof way to inject visibility and unlock version control in AI systems. This hence the reason why I am so bullish on AI projects, man. And AI and crypto just makes perfect sense. AI and crypto and gaming crypto just makes perfect sense in my opinion. And let me know if y'all want me to start like streaming crypto games. I think that's one of the things I want to do when I completely just double down on full-time Web3. That's one of the things I want to hop into, right? Sometime this year. Prediction markets are set to rise as a killer app in crypto. The firm predicts over 100 million will be staked, highlighting their potential as a breakthrough applications for cryptocurrency. So DeFi and staking, and a major update will significantly lower gas fees, which will be huge for Ethereum, which we call Hollywood around here, baby. We know if those fees go down, meme coins are going to go crazy. We're actually seeing ICP meme coins literally go crazy. IC has been pumping, right? On the pumpage of ICP. So Vanet also has some predictions. We'll go through them very, very quick. You don't want to make this video too long, but he says halving ETF fever keep Bitcoin dominant and resilient during possible U.S. recession. So they are expecting that we have a recession, and they say by April Bitcoin will finally get over 48K. So a little bit different perspective. They think that Bitcoin trades sideways going into the halving cycle, and they also feel like Bitcoin will may go back down to 30K, right? On the news of the ETF, which could be potentially, right, a buy the rumor, sell the news event. They got Ethereum and the rise of layer twos. We know layer twos is a huge narrative. I'm extremely bullish here on the layer two narrative. So that's something that I'm actually, looking to continue to be a part of, right? Layer ones, layer two, these are my narratives that I'm bullish on. GameFi, AI, GambleFi, RWA, and BRC20. If you are new to the channel, if you're new to the channel, let me know in the comments, right? And join the free Discord, right? You know what I mean? Always beautiful people there. It's community driven. Love it. All right, where were we? All right, we were right here. NFTs are back, so they are predicting the NFT market growth, right? I got some pretty banging projects I'm gonna share with the Patreon that I think that we should start to look at now before these NFTs come back. So if we get the bull run, we know NFTs will come back. New opportunities in the crypto ecosystem. That's something I want to do. I mean, I want to get a dope position out here in Web3. But they are predicting decentralized physical infrastructure network to deepen narrative, right? Protocols like Hive Mapper and Helium are expected to experience significant growth, indicating a shift towards decentralized physical infrastructure. So any project that literally has a product, right? Hive Mapper, you put the little Hive Mapper device in your car, and it kind of like tracks, information, data. These data, Nado is another one that you could turn your phone into a node. There's a whole bunch of these crypto apps where you can just mine crypto through the DPIN narrative, right? I think A Tor has the Tor relays coming soon, where you'll be able to use your Tor relay as a router to boost the security systems of the ecosystem. So again, man, Helium, right? They got the Wi-Fi thing going on there, so there will be a lot of opportunities. Blockchain gaming breakthrough, right? I just came across some banging gaming projects that I cannot wait to share with you guys. In fact, I'm gonna be working on a gaming video after I finish this video here. Corporate adoption and DeFi integration. So new accounting treatments such as FASB reporting are likely to encourage corporate crypto holdings, and Coinbase should benefit first by reporting its significant layer 2 blockchain revenues in early 2024. So that's a question, man. Will Base eventually drop a token, or do you think that Base is just going to be like how Arbitrum was before it dropped a token, just massive ecosystem that's utilized to scale Ethereum? So a lot of people are also bullish on the Bitcoin development, which I am, family. I am bullish on the Bitcoin ecosystem. The Bitcoin ecosystem is about to go crazy. Maxis don't want to use Ethereum. They don't want to use. They want to use. I'm telling you, like in a perfect world, Bitcoin maxis, they just want to use everything Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is now coming to the point of scalability. I don't think people know how huge that is going to be. Now, I'm not around connecting my wallets trying to buy every BRC20 token. I told you guys, I'm invested into a few cross-chain DEX, interoperable, seamless bridges. Ordi ZK is one, just to throw it out there. W Bridge is one. So I'm invested into BRC20 infrastructure, right? The ability to make ERC20 and BRC20 interoperable. That's where my investment thesis lies, and I will continue to double down on that. So very, very bullish here on the Bitcoin ecosystem, right? Stablecoin supply. We talked about stablecoin. NFT market revival. We know NFTs is coming back. Rising protocol fees. Get you a project that has fees. Crypto.com ain't going nowhere because of them damn fees. And that's why I like Crypto.com. As an investment, I like Crypto.com. I think Crypto.com is going to be huge. They provide passive income opportunities for their holders, and that's why I love what they're building. And their card is easy to use. All my crypto profits, I ain't got to go to no bank, none of that. I just use my bank is crypto.com. So man, rising protocol fees. I like projects that generate revenue through fees, man. There's a website out there that you can go check out. I think it's called fees, crypto fees or something like that. That shows you the top cryptocurrencies that generate fees. So I would always recommend checking out DeFi Llama for TVL, and also checking out revenue, the projects that generate the most revenue, because they're the most closest to projects like a traditional stock, right? Traditional stock is not speculation. They actually have a product that generates revenue, right? Layer ones, we know layer ones is going to go crazy. We've seen that from Solana. Everybody was going to want to be the next Solana. My layer one of choice layer zero, should I say, is Telos, right? They're pushing ZK tech, EVM tech, faster than Solana. Still has the same security, better security than AVAX. You know what I'm saying? These guys, soon as things start getting built, which they're already in the works, that ecosystem is going to blow, and that's my layer one of choice, Telos, right? I would say ICP too. ICP is the sugar honey iced tea, right? everything, the ability to build everything on there's nothing like ICP. I agree with Jerry at that standpoint. The emergence of SocialFi. Right now, I'm starting to look at some SocialFi tokens. I think a lot of somebody put me on to a project called Gary. There's a few ones out there. I know DSO, the decentral this DSO. I don't know what the whole word is, but I know the ticker is DSO. But I'm really interested in this Gary one, and there's a few AI ones that I'm also looking at. I don't want to say them just yet because I want to do more research and make sure. Of course, make sure it's not a scam. Make sure it's not a rug. I know Gary. A lot of people been talking about that, and also DSO. So the next meta could be SocialFi, right? And then we got A16Zs. This is what they're looking at. They're looking at the rise of modular tech here, right? Monolithic architectures offer deep integration optimization, but lack the advantages of modular tech. An open source modular tech stack enables permissionless innovation, specialization, and competition. This modular approach is essential for fostering vibrant and innovative ecosystem. I was looking at some modular tech cryptocurrencies. I can't think of them off the top of my head because I just started doing research on this aspect, but I'm tuning into this. It has my attention. I want to do more research, kind of understand how modular tech works before I start speaking on it. But that's something that I'm looking to actually research. We're talking about how AI and blockchain will be a powerful combination. We know that play to earn will return. We know gaming, NFTs, everybody's looking for the same thing. So in Coinbase, right? Coinbase, this is Coinbase crypto outlook. So they're looking for more liquidity to roll into cryptocurrency, which I think it will, right? We're seeing the Tether coin market cap go up. We're seeing the adoption rate of cryptocurrency go up. So layer ones, layer twos, they ain't going nowhere. Resetting the macro, right? We could potentially get some Fed cuts. We got the Fed cuts, halving cycle, um, election season, right? So we got a lot to look forward to. 2024 just seems like a very, very bullish year. Tokenization, RWAs. Financial sectors expand tokenization to improve capital efficiency and automate workflow. So tokenization could be huge. We also got the blockchain used in telecommunications. So blockchain technology is now finding key niche use cases outside of decentralized finance and cryptocurrency, says the senior vice president of the telecommunications company Cineverse. So now we're starting to see a lot of these, what's it called? Call centers and stuff utilize blockchain technology. I know about a year ago, there was a call center that bought a whole bunch of Jasmy's Avita secure PCs, which was a huge win and W for the entire cryptocurrency, as a lot of these companies are looking to move to specifically blockchain PCs, right? And of course, a better supply chain management, right? Supply chains across all industries are now starting to use blockchain technology with transformative efforts to become more efficient, increase visibility, and ultimately be able to share access and accurate data at any given time. I think Demetria, they're doing some supply chain stuff with AI, with farming, right? Farming, agriculture. You got VeChain. That's another big one. Morpheus Network. That's another big one. So start to look at some of these supply chain management companies that's utilizing blockchain technology, and look for the ones that actually have a coin, right? Because there's some that's utilizing that don't even have a coin yet. And sometimes it's good to look at those projects because eventually they will have a coin, like we seen from Arbitrum and some of these what's another one, Sweat Coin and LimeWire. These are all Web2 companies that's starting to create coins, looking to move everything to the blockchain and really tokenize their brand. So the future of the blockchain is looking good, family. That's all I have for you guys. Make sure that you like and subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell. You feel me? Let me know. Let me know in the chat, man. What are you looking at as far as 2023? I want to know everybody's comments. I want to know everybody's comments. I want to know excuse me, not 23. 2024. What are you looking at? I want to know everybody's opinion. I want to know, how you plan on attacking 2024 aggressively? What changes you want to make? What are you going to do different to make sure 2024 is your year? And if you're watching this video, you're part of this community. If you're here, you're already one step ahead, because 2024 is our year and we're going to win. And you already know the motto over here. If winning is what we do, losing is not an option. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.